Sankavi Rathan, and today I would like to welcome you all to my Guinness World Record attempt. The record I am trying to break is called Most Rubik's Cubes Solved with One Hand While Hula Hooping. The previous record is 25 cubes, but my goal is to break that record. I knew how to hula hoop ever since I was little, but I only started learning the Rubik's Cube early this year. Since I was bored, I decided to put them together. My parents took a video of me solving a Rubik's Cube and hula hooping, and we sent it to some relatives and friends. They loved it, and they suggested trying for a Guinness World Record. That encouragement led me to this event today. Hopefully things will go smoothly, and thank you for your support.
right, 30 cubes within 1 hour. ஒரு மணி நேரத்திற்குள் 30 ரூபிக்ஸ் கியூபை அவர் சால்வ் பண்ணியிருக்கின்றார். மீண்டும் அவருக்கு ஒரு பலத்த கரகோஷம். How do you feel now?
I feel pretty good. Yeah.
All right, we are all happy for you and we would like to have Suresh Jokim for the result and few words.
Congratulations. Yeah. She started at 10:04 a.m. and she almost hula hopping and doing the Rubik cubes for 50 minutes and 34 seconds. Wow, that's amazing, eh? Within an hour, and she broke the world record. The past world record was 25. The current new Guinness World Record is 30 by Canadian. Wow. We are very proud of you, and we have to thank all the medias and including your parents. It's very important. They are the people, they encourage you and bring to this position. Hope you will do more and more. So this is you are so young, you know. You're so young. You can achieve a lot of things in the world, and you can inspire the world, and you are a role model for the world. So we are happy to hear.